You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to change the access point on your iPhone. Let's get right into it. When people say access point on iPhone, it can mean a couple of different things. If you're referring to the APN or access point name, that's the setting used by your phone to connect to mobile data. While these settings can technically be changed, they're usually handled automatically by your mobile carrier. So if you're experiencing issues or need to make adjustments, the best option is to contact your carrier directly. They're the ones who manage this for most users. On the other hand, if you're talking about using your iPhone as an access point to share your internet connection, a feature called Personal Hotspot, there are some settings you can manage. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on Cellular or Mobile Data depending on your region. From there, select Cellular Data Network or Mobile Data Network and scroll down to the Personal Hotspot section. Here you can change the password and configure how your hotspot behaves. Now, if you're looking to change the actual name of the access point, the name that shows up when others search for your iPhone's hotspot, that's a different setting. You'll need to rename your iPhone. To do that, go back to the main settings page, tap on General, then About. At the top, you'll see the name field. Whatever name you enter here becomes the name of your device, and it also shows up as the network name when using Personal Hotspot. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this video helped you figure things out, go ahead and like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical iPhone and iPad tips. See you later.